In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Figma subscription. We'll walk through this directly inside the Figma web app, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to look to see whether you're currently subscribed and how to confirm that your plan has been cancelled. Make sure you're already logged into your Figma account in your browser before you start following along. First, look toward the top left corner of the Figma interface. You should see your profile name or a small profile icon there. This is where your account and workspace options are grouped. Go ahead and click on your profile name. This opens a drop-down menu that gives you quick access to important settings for your account. From this drop-down, find and click on the option labeled Settings. Sometimes there can be several items in this menu, so take a moment to look for the word Settings specifically. Clicking this will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Figma experience, such as your profile information, notifications, and of course, your account and billing details. Once you're on the settings page, look for a tab or section named Account. This may appear along the top or on the left side of the screen, depending on your layout. Click on Account to open your main account management area. This is where Figma groups information related to your plan, subscription, and sometimes billing options. In the Account section, you'll see details about your current subscription status. If you are actively subscribed to a paid Figma plan, it should be visible here. You might see your current plan name, your billing frequency, and sometimes the date of your next charge. This confirms that your subscription is still active. If you've already gone through the cancellation process in the past, you will no longer see an active subscription listed in this area. Instead, it may look more minimal, or it may indicate that you're on a free plan. That's your confirmation that the subscription is no longer being billed. So to recap the flow, click your profile name in the upper left corner, choose Settings from the drop-down, then go into the Account section. There, you can view whether you're currently subscribed or confirm that a previous cancellation has taken effect because the subscription no longer appears.